Hello, year 8. In this video, we are going through question 5 of exercise 6G. Okay, so for this question, we are calculating, for some, we're calculating speed, then distance, and then for the others, we're calculating time. Okay, so remember that we've got our three equations. Okay, so first one is speed. All right, it's one here. Speed is equal to distance over time. Then for distance, that is equal to speed multiplied by time. And for time, that is equal to distance over speed or divided by speed. Okay. And so we have these three here, and basically we're just gonna use the numbers that we have here, the values that we have to calculate them. So first one, okay, so calculating speed for A. So A, we got speed is equal to distance over time. So that is 50 kilometers over 2 hours. And that's going to calculate out to be 25 kilometers per hour. Next, we got B. Now for B, we're calculating time, and time is distance, which is 1,200 meters, divided by speed, so 30 meters per second. And this should calculate out to be 40 seconds. Next, we got C. Now for C, we're calculating distance, so speed multiplied by time. So 5 multiplied by 12, and that's going to calculate out to be 60 kilometers. Oh, interesting. Okay, so for this one here, you see that the unit is in minutes for time. Okay, now for time, we want it to be either in seconds or hour. Now, the unit for speed, okay, there's two common units for speed. One is meters per second, and the other one is kilometers per hour. Since our distance is in kilometers, we would want our time to be in hour. Okay, now 5 minutes, that is going to be, remember to change from minutes to hour, you have to divide by 60. Okay, and this, your calculator may give you 1/12, or it another thing that it can give you, just let me get out my calculator out here. So 5 divided by 60, that is equal to 0.083 recurring. Okay, so for D here, we want to find speed. So speed is 600 kilometers, so distance over the time. Now I'm going to use the 1/12. Okay, 1/12 hours, or hour. And that would calculate out to be, now to use my calculator here, so we've got 600 over, now I'm going to use my fraction button again, so 1/12, and this calculates out to be 7,700, sorry, what was that? 7,200 kilometers per hour. Okay, and that's very, very fast. And also, if you think about it, this object, okay, has gone 600 kilometers in 5 minutes. That is insanely fast. Okay. For E here again, we got minutes. Now we see here the speed is in kilometers per hour, so we know that we have to change that to hour now. So we would have 20 minutes is 1/3 of an hour. So E, now we want to find the distance. So distance is speed multiplied by time. So 1/3 of an hour. And this should give you 70 kilometers. Okay, so always make sure that you check your units. And then for F here, we've got speed being meters per second and the distance being kilometers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this into meters. Okay, now to change from kilometers to meters, we would multiply by 1000. So this would be 10,000 meters. So to find time, we've got distance, 10,000 meters, divided by speed, which is 100 meters per second here. And that's going to calculate out to be 100. Now, let's see the units here for time. That's second, so 100 second. Okay, so these are the answers for question 5. I hope that this helps you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.